Man, it was snowing 2 days ago and it's sunny and hot today. Can't believe it. Let me show you something. We've been having a problem with birds gathering over here lately in our bushes. So I put some tinfoil here to try to scare them off, and it seems to be working, but I think they're on to me. All right, guys, get out of here. Shoot. Uh-oh. I'm really glad the sun is out and shining, because that brings us to our next product to review. This one is coming from Amazon here, and this is what's in the box. All right, let's see what this is. All right, so this is supposed to be some sunshade for the roof of your Tesla Model 3. And they also make these for the Model Y as well. Looks like it comes in a resealable little pouch here to protect it, and its own carry case with a zipper. Okay, I do like this, because I was concerned that it was going to arrive just in a bunch of pieces and I'd have to store it somehow, but it actually comes with a zippered bag, so that is really handy. It's like there's a few pieces inside. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what all this is. All right, this is everything that comes in the kit. We've got some small screens that block the rear quarter windows in the back. Looks like a bigger one for the rear window. This one for the top sunroof area. This I haven't even opened yet. And I've opened these pieces here. It looks like this is going to be a cover that you can attach to these pieces here to kind of reflect sunlight. But I'll get into that. We'll see what that is. And these are some clips here that hold these in place. So these fold away like in a butterfly pattern here. So the brand is Arcoche, and you can buy these from their website or from Amazon. And it looks like a pretty comprehensive set here. So let's go ahead and get these installed and see how it looks. So to unfold these and fold these back up, you just kind of have to twist them like that. Kind of twist it into place like this. Kind of have to play around with it, but that's basically how you get it back to that butterfly shape. So of the two big pieces, there's a piece that has more of a straight edge, and then there's a piece over here that has more of a curved edge. The one with the curved edge goes in the back glass window area, and the other one is going to be over your sunroof area. So just to show you kind of the purpose of this device, you see the sunlight shining into the car through the glass roof here, and just how light and bright it is. Let me go ahead and just pop this in real quick and show you the difference. Okay, I just popped it in there in place. It's not held in with the clips or anything. I just put it there, just held in by tension, just to show you. See how it's darker here? That light there is coming from the side window, but it is darker overall in the car, and this is going to block quite a bit of sun. That curved edge is to allow you to have more view from the back window when you're looking through your mirror. So let's go ahead and see how the clips hold it in place. So you get quite a few of these clips with the kit, and they just attach to the sides of the screens. I would put probably 2 on each side. What you want to do is flip it upside down, because this flat part is going to go up against the glass, and this grooved part right here will tuck into the upholstery pillars on the side. So you want to kind of just clip it in like this. They just kind of pop on. So this is what it's going to look like here, but because I'm putting this side facing the passenger and this side facing the outer window, I want this to be flush with the glass, so I put it on upside down like that. So let's go ahead and put all of them on this one, and then I'll show you how that just kind of pops into place. Okay, so again, I've got the curved side going towards the back, and I've got these clips in place here. Or you could just hold this in by tension really, but the clips just keep it into place. And once you have all the clips in, now you can just kind of push the whole thing up, slide it up to where it's flush against this pillar here. And you see how the clips are just kind of holding it in, tucked into the side here. It's pretty clever, actually. Tesla makes one similar to this, and it works the identical same way, just costs a lot more. This one is a more comprehensive kit. I'll show you what else it can do as well. The kit also comes with screens for this glass here. It looks like this. You want to actually turn it upside down to where the label is pointing like this. That's the shape of the window. You could, if you really wanted to, put some of these clips into place to hold it in, but I think it's going to be a tight enough fit that you don't need the clips at all. You just want to put it in. And the cool thing about this is that actually the label is functional, because when you want to take it out, you just pull on this, and so you don't have to try to grab your fingers around the edge and pull it out. You can just pull it out by this tab. So look how easy it is to install. I'm just putting it in, and it pops into place just like that, and it stays put. So to get it out, like I said, reach around, grab the tag, and just kind of pull on it, and it comes right out, just like this. So now I'm going to install this in the sunroof area. It's got a very slight curvature at one end, and that's going to go towards the back of the car. So let me go ahead and pop this one in real quick. And this is what it looks like on the inside here. This one did not want to stay put by just tension alone, so I actually put some clips along the front and on the sides, and one in the back here. Just kind of keep it in place, and you can still see the sun shining through it. Although I will say it does feel a little bit cooler in the car with this installed. So I think it's doing its job, but it also does something else. So I'm located in Chicago, where it's not too sunny all the time. It actually snowed here 2 days ago, and for whatever reason it got sunny and warm out. But if you live in an extreme warm climate like Florida or Southern California, Arizona, they sent one of these where you can put this on top of your screen and it will black it out to where it won't allow sunlight in. Let's see what that looks like. So this is the before without the sunblock. You see the sun shining through still. Let me go ahead and strap this on. It's just held in place by some straps you just put around the corners of each corner here, and it'll hold that in place. This is what that looks like installed. You can see I've just got these straps holding it on each corner like that, and it just it's the same shape and size as the screen, so it's just going to be held in place with those straps. Let's go ahead and install that and see what it does. All right, I've got it installed, the silver side facing up. You cannot even see the silver shining through the tinted glass of your sunroof, so that doesn't change the exterior of the look, but from the inside it completely blacks out that sun. Remember, the sunlight was shining through right there. It is no longer shining through at all. So if you've got extreme heat issues that you want to block it out, this is a great fix. This is how it looks looking through the rear view mirror. You see a little slit there of daylight you can see through. So it actually works, because that's kind of how it is when you are driving anyways. And from outside the car, you can still see the inside from here, but it stops right around here. You can barely tell. When you're like looking at the car back here, you can barely tell it's installed. You do see it darker here, but here it's still normal. So great product. So that's it as far as the install. I think it's actually a really good product. It's made well. It comes with a carry case. You have the option to put on a blackout screen or not. So depending on the climate and the weather and area that you're in, this is a great product. It's a lot cheaper than the one that Tesla used to sell. Do they still even sell it on their website? I haven't seen it, or I don't remember seeing it. But Tesla used to sell one a lot like this, but it didn't have the blackout or the case or anything like that. But I think it's pretty good if you live in a really hot climate and you don't have the money or like the look of tinting your windows. This is a great workaround. Even if you're going on a camping trip and you just want to stay cool for the weekend, this is the way to go. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, let me know. Put some comments down below. I'll put links in the description if you want to look at this product online. And as always, thanks again for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. If not, I'll see you around anyways. Have a good one. Bye.